There it is. The RS11. Like his red ground effects. Here it is. He's got a pretty bright cab light, although it's brighter in the camera than it is for real. Let's check him out again. Now he's got fiber optic headlight. This time, instead of an LED, I used an SMD. So check out this headlight. On the camera, that's super bright. All right, let's cut the lights on and see what we got here. And there he is. So I went ahead, I did an oyster tin snowplow. Yep, that is the tin from a can of smoked oysters that I cut it and shaped it a little bit with a jeweler's pliers. And that is our snowplow. And now a little better on the lights. They're just really bright in the camera, but they're pretty bright to look at too. But for fiber optics, this is way better than what we did before when we used the LED. The SMD really worked on these fiber optics. Now let's take a look at them. Okay, so in the rear, I put on, yeah, that's wire all right. And all them hoses are red. I was going to paint them black, but when I saw them red, it's like, they're kind of cool. And everything is looking pretty good. I think we're going to call it. I think it's ready. Right now, to test it, I've got a DH1260 in it. Digitrax decoder. Let's see how he does with 15-inch radius. It does not phase him at all. Let's pick up some cars. Oh, those cars off the track. They might be. They did tip over a while ago. Nope, got them. What? Yes, yes, they are too off the track. At least one of them is. Yeah, he was off the track, right? Let's hit bridge 15. Let's see if we can take them on through the spaghetti bowl. Let's go through the spaghetti bowl. Why don't we go pick up Mr. Helper while we're down there? Mr. Helper's waiting over there. Okay, so we're going to add. Okay. He's facing rear. Okay. Let's bring him on back. There we go. Yep, it's that easy an engine driver to make a consist. So there it is. I'm going to call this one good. Turned out great. The new Rev 1 motor is fantastic. Slow speed, powerful, quiet. It is excellent. Draws nothing for amps. And that's it. We're going to call it. This project is complete.